What the heck is going on with Apple stock? How does the Russian invasion of Ukraine affect its sales and profits? What do top analysts say, and should you buy, sell, or hold? Welcome to Stock Market Fever. Today is February 27th, 2022, and today we are going to take a concise look at Apple to see what's happening that has been affecting the company's fortunes and where it could go moving forward. First off, let's take a look and see where Apple stock has been. If you were prescient enough to have purchased Apple shares in March of last year at its low of about 117, then based upon Friday's closing price of 164 and change, you'd be up about 40% from your original purchase, and even more if we were to count dividends. Pretty neat. Based upon its most recent earnings per share of about 602 annualized, Apple stock is trading at just over 27 times earnings. But Apple stock has run into tailwind since hitting a high of 182 at the beginning of January. Perhaps this was due to profit-taking and perhaps due to the market's malaise performance in general, due to worries over rising inflation, rising interest rates, and higher energy prices with no end in sight. And how might the war in Ukraine affect Apple's production of products? According to a U.S. Department of Commerce report issued on January 25, the semiconductor supply chain remains fragile. Demand continues to far outstrip supply. At the beginning of December last year, Apple reportedly told its suppliers to expect production of the iPhone 13 to be about 80 million units, down from 90 million units. Will this shortage be exacerbated by a disruption in the supply of neon gas from Ukraine, a key ingredient used to manufacture chips? Against possible future production issues and the rising cost of production, Apple has strong emotional support from users and its many stock fans, including Warren Buffett, who recently indicated that Apple remains a core holding in his portfolio. It remains a core holding of many hedge funds as well. And analysts are still in love with Apple. As of February 25, Schwab Equity rates Apple stock with a solid A rating and buy recommendation. And on February 28th, CFRA analyst Angelo Zeno gave Apple a solid 4-star rating with a buy recommendation. With a low-risk assessment, he was especially impressed with Apple's shift towards higher profit margin products and growth in its recurring service revenue, as well as growing revenues from strong sales of its i13 phone domestically and in China. So where does Apple stock go from here? What opportunities might there be in the short run, and how might the stock, along with all world asset classes, be buffeted by the unpredictable fortunes of war in Ukraine? What do you think? What do you predict will happen to Apple stock in the short run and longer term? Please share with us your opinion in the comments below, and be sure to also like, comment, and subscribe for future stock market alerts from our growing community channel, Stock Market Fever.